So we're gonna be making a dark paper airplane today. So first thing we're gonna do is fold it lengthwise or a hot dog. Turn off. Thank you. Yeah, so it's a minute. And gonna fold it like that. So and do the same thing on the other side. Go like this. And take this and fold it down. Use that center crease you made to make it lined up. Like that. And then I'm gonna take about an inch. You're gonna take it and you're gonna fold that up, put it on that crease you made, like this. You're gonna take that, you're gonna fold it down, and you'll have a bullseye. And that bullseye right there, you're gonna take these corners, and you're gonna fold down to. Mm-hmm.